So what's up, guys? I'm in agony. I have a massive abscess in my neck and my throat, but we're heading to pick up the Mini off Kieran. The boy's driving, so let's go. The wife does a wee. We got here a bit early. Unfortunately, Kieran isn't ready with the Mini, so I will be picking it up in the morning to bring it over. So we'll have a quick look over there. Now, oil stains. Dead wife, happy wife. Happy. So here we are, we're down at Kieran's now collecting the car. We have 40 minutes to get to the show, so I'm dying. But yeah, I'll show you the car when we get to the show. So we made it. Let's go. We'll get in, get this parked, tidied up, and give you a look at the Mini. Now, let's find some parking. What time do you call this? What time do you call this?
Your man at the gate even said, Jesus, are early for a change. We didn't break down on the way, you see.
Fuck's sake. Will you get in your car?
Oh, fuck's sake.
It's a late. I thought you would have been forced here there.
What do you think of the MR2?
I fucking love it. Well done.
It's an MR2 with the full kit.
Yeah, right.
2 litre, we're getting our turbo and all on it.
I love it. Ball bells. So that was just a short video, no talking because I'm in agony. So I'm going to head back to the hotel, get my antibiotics into me and some painkillers, go to bed. So yeah, beautiful cars, great selection, definitely come back next year. Peace out, be dedicated, and see you in the next one. Bye. Made it home okay with the Mini. A few issues that I do need to look at with the Mini. Feels so much better today. The antibiotics kicked in. The clutch fluid I think is boiling up. It's too close to the manifold, and then Kieran is collecting the splitter from me tomorrow and he's going to bring it home and he's going to fix it up, paint it up, and that'll be perfect. Also, these are going bronze, my door handles are going bronze, and any of the chrome on the back of the car is going bronze. But yeah, the car performed perfect over the weekend, very happy with it. So yeah, see you at the next show. If you do see me at the next show, come over, say hello. So yeah, see you in the next one. Don't forget, subscribe to the videos, like, comment, and yeah, peace out. See you in the next one, and be dedicated. Ciao.